Now, automated asset management, this consists of electronically supported procurement, automated inventory, and centralized data repository that are available to financial, administrative, technical planners, system administrators, and the service desk. System scalability is a technology infrastructure that can logically and physically increase in performance and capacity with continuity to meet reasonable growth over change and change over time. Research suggests the data is expected to grow on average up to 60% a year. System scalability ensures that an organization can handle growth and the new technologies that come along with it. Enterprise policy management precludes the user from making changes to the system, such as introducing unauthorized software or changing settings that may cause conflict with other systems and resources and applications within your network. Now, IS professional training is critical in preparing IS staff that are delivering support and services to users to confidently plan and implement initiatives and solutions and resolve user issues quickly and effectively. Professional training significantly reduced the amount of causal time and learning by IS professionals, and the payoff is in reduced time to implement and troubleshoot systems. Now let's discuss the executing phase. There are 10 best practices associated with the executing phase, and they are employee performance management, information services performance management, process management, data integration management, performance metrics management, performance alignment management, cross-functional process management, systems management, change management, and procurement management. Executing phase best practices, they enable you to implement planned activities outlined in the defining and planning phases. Employee performance management includes planning work and setting expectations, continually monitoring performance, developing the capacity to perform, periodically rating performance in a summary fashion, and then rewarding good performance. Significant cost savings can be seen due to increased performance of employees. Information services performance management measures and monitors information systems and services, and then it aligns them to organizational goals and objectives. Information services performance management yields cost savings in labor cost, increased productivity, and increased customer loyalty. Now, process management is a series of actions taken to identify, analyze, and improve existing processes within an organization to meet new goals and objectives. Cost savings are seen in process management through increased productivity, reduced support costs, eliminated redundancies, and process standardization. Data integration management is the practice of gaining business value from information assets through the effective use of data management technologies and best practices. Cost savings can be seen through operational database consolidation, software license and maintenance reduction, and by leveraging data structures through standardization. Performance metrics management identifies quantifiable, results-driven metrics that enable informed decision-making and encourage improved service delivery. Cost savings are seen through aligning performance to financial goals. Performance alignment management facilitates the translation of business and functional priorities into a strategy, and it consists of aligning corporate strategy to 4 areas, which are division departmental, workforce, financial, and resources. Strategic alignment drives cost savings by aligning all related service areas within the company to a global services model, by bringing all sourcing programs under a single governance structure and supported by a multi-vendor operating model. The opportunities for sharing best practice and achieving further savings is increased. Cross-functional process management is a process of breaking down functional siloed thinking and building the organization around core processes rather than specific functional areas. Cost savings are seen through increased employee skills and productivity, improved knowledge of integrated organizational processes, and eliminated redundancies and process standardization. Systems management provides optimal performance optimal systems performance, and quicker resolution of problems, and it minimizes failures. Cost savings through systems management are seen in lower support costs and increased productivity. Now that brings us to change management, and this is the procedure, policies, and tools established to monitor organizational assets to ensure that unauthorized changes are not being implemented. As employees work together, they can leverage their buying power, take advantage of added value services, and contribute to the bottom line. Change management cost savings exist as support costs are reduced and governance is enforced. Procurement management is a set of policies and procedures to manage the procurement process. Procurement management maximizes purchasing economies of scale by coordinating system-wide acquisition of goods and services. Now this brings us to the monitoring phase. There are 3 best practices associated with the monitoring phase, and these are quality management, performance data management, and business intelligence management. Now these best practices ensure the key indicators and thresholds are in acceptable ranges and quality characteristics are enforced. Quality management ensures that all activities necessary to design, develop, and implement a product or service are effective and efficient with respect to the system and its performance. Cost savings are seen through improved efficiency and productivity and customer loyalty. Performance data management is a practice of helping organizations understand the stages of data as it transforms to meaningful information and then is distributed throughout the organization. Cost savings are achieved by delivering accurate data on time to enable decision making. A tremendous cost savings can be achieved through less labor searching for valuable information. Business intelligence management is the identification, implementation, and strategic application of technologies that are used to gather, provide access to, and analyze data and information about company operations and performance. Cost savings and return on investment on business intelligence tools are seen when utilizing TCO as an evaluation metric. There are 4 best practices associated with the reporting phase, and they are project performance management, scorecard dashboard development, customer satisfaction management, and service level tracking management. These best practices analyze performance findings and communicate systems, organizational, and individual performance to the stakeholders. Project performance management organizes and manages resources to ensure that the project is completed within the defined scope. A project that is not well planned is likely to be delayed and yield to additional resources and labor. Scorecard dashboard development is the process of planning, identifying, and implementing an easy access view and how well the organization is reaching strategic goals. Through fast and comprehensive reporting of competitive pricing, consumer demand, and revenue goals, companies can accurately predict customer buying patterns for price optimization, and they can better understand their customer spending patterns. Customer satisfaction management is the process of ensuring that customers' expectations are met or exceeded over the lifetime of the product or service. Customer support translates into significant cost savings through customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, and increased sales. Solutions that drive customer satisfaction in general generate increased sales and encourage customer spending. And lastly, service level tracking establishes specific services that your organization will deliver to the end user community with regards to various uptime, performance, and problem resolution criteria. Service level management yields to significant cost savings through increased productivity and improved service. I hope you found this seminar to be informative. Hopefully now you understand the value of best practices and you see how the 35 lifecycle performance management best practices can transform your organizational performance and transform it to a high-performing organization. Hopefully now you have a little bit of understanding of the definition of each of these. You understand how they fit within the phases of the lifecycle performance framework, and you understand how they go across the people,